What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wanted to make your Instagram posts pop up with perfect soundtrack? Today I'm going to show you how to exactly add music to your Instagram posts, making them more dynamic and fun. Let's dive right in. First, to upload a photo, go to the plus icon. Choose a photo. Then tap next. Then select your photo. After that, apply any edits you want and then tap next. Remember, music can only be added to single photo posts, not a carousel posts. Then, once you have found the caption screen, you will find the add music button. Here you will find the option to add music right below the geotag. Tap add music to choose one of the suggested tracks to get started. Here where the fun begins. Choose your song. Instagram shows trending tracks under For You. If you have a specific song or artist in mind, use the search bar at the top. You can also find saved tracks from the reels by tapping Saved, or tap Browse to explore music by moods, themes or genres. You can even see how many reels have used each song, which helps you to find popular or trending tracks. Once you have picked a song, let me choose my song. I will tap Dandelions. Yep. Once you have picked a song, it's time to choose the section. Since a photo doesn't have a set duration, you decide how long the clip will play, between 5 to 90 seconds. I will choose 10 seconds. Yep. Then drag. Then yeah, done. The pink dots in the timeline show where the new verses or song beats alert. The pink dot in the timeline shows where new verses or strong beats start. Perfect spots for your clip. Now let me set my one. Yep, once you have done it, click the tick mark and tap share. And there, it's finishing the up. And there you have it. Let me show you. And there you have it. Now you know how to make your Instagram posts come alive with music. Give it a try and watch your engagement soar. Let me just turn my volume mute. And yeah, give it a try and watch your engagement soar. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching and hanging out with me, and can't wait to see. Thanks for hanging out with me. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Till then.